This video will look at the different options you have when it comes to your event's privacy settings. We'll discuss what it means to have your event set to public, private, password protected, and invitation only, and the situations in which you'd want to use each privacy classification. The different event privacy settings available in Eventbrite help you control who has access to view and register for your event page. Setting your event to public means that your event can be found by anyone. Your event will populate across the major search engines, on Eventbrite search, and will be recommended to different visitors on eventbrite.com. A public setting will also send a notification to anyone who follows your organizer profile once you publish the event. This setting should be used when you want to cast the widest net possible and attract the most visitors to your event page. If you set your event to private, you'll notice that you have 3 different options, each of varying privacy: anyone with the link, only people with an Eventbrite invitation, and password protected. Setting your event to anyone with the link means that only individuals with the link to your event page will be able to access it. This can be used for more controlled or exclusive events, or for any event you don't want the general public to find while browsing online. With your event set to private, your event will not populate on search engine results or on Eventbrite search. Your event will only be accessible to those that the URL is shared with. Setting your event to only people with an Eventbrite invitation means that only individuals that you invited using the Eventbrite Invitations tool will be able to view your event page and purchase tickets. This can be used for exclusive events, family events, or member-only events that you need to require an invitation to attend. And lastly, setting your event to password protected will gate your event page behind a password of your choosing. You can use this setting to keep your event private while you get ready to go live with sales, or during scenarios such as an exclusive presale or small exclusive events. The different event privacy options in Eventbrite help you control who can and can't see your event page, and to ensure the right level of publicity and access. The level of privacy you select will depend on the type of event you're hosting and what your goals are. To access the privacy settings tool, you'll need the Edit Event Details permission located under the Event Creation permission category in Team Management. To adjust the privacy settings of an event, click on your event from the Upcoming Events dashboard and click on Publish on the left-hand menu. Under Privacy Settings, select Public or Private. From the drop-down menu here, you'll be able to choose between a public or private status. If you select Public, you'll have no further options, but be sure to save. If you select Private, you'll then be presented with your 3 sub-options, being anyone with the link, only people with an Eventbrite invitation, or only people with the password. Once you make your selection here, be sure to save. In addition to the Publish menu, you can also review your event privacy settings underneath the Privacy Settings menu along the left-hand side. And that's how you manage your event privacy. Visit our Help Center or YouTube channel for more tips and resources to guide you through creating, managing, and promoting your events on Eventbrite.